So I just recently found out that I don't actually have the ability to do a live stream. I actually have to have 1,000 subscribers in order to do that. So I need your help getting 1,000 subscribers. So please, if you like the content on this channel, please give it a thumbs up and obviously subscribe if you're not already. And please feel free to share the content with others that may like Tesla content, or in today's case, we're going to be talking about Apple content. So later today, we're going to be going over some Apple news. They are having an announcement today about new products, most likely iPhones, and maybe some other things. So I'm going to let you know what my favorite products are from that event, as well as what I'm going to be purchasing from those announcements. Most likely a new iPhone, maybe something else. We'll see what they announce. But I did want to give my try at a live stream video so you can have all the flub ups that I have in the video. Just like I'm going to go ahead and leave those in there for this video, so you can have more opportunities to get some interesting content from this channel, because I'm not going to be able to edit the live streams, obviously. So also wanted to give an update on this channel. We are, like I said, chasing 1,000 subscribers, but I did have a video come out yesterday, part 3 of 4 of the Disney trip, as well as tomorrow we're going to be having part 4 of 4, so the last video in the Disney road trip series, and it is going to be going over all of just the Disney parks itself and what it was like in Disney World during a pandemic. And then on Friday, I did actually get a chance to work on the Model Y and try to fix that headlight on the front. So we're going to go ahead and release a video there where I ended up taking out the frunk and some other stuff. So we see if we can get that light fixed. So definitely subscribe. You don't want to miss that. And as always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.